Hi there, this is Garrett Pearson.
And Scott Brandley.
And we want to thank you for buying the Software Secrets book. We're so excited for you to read. We put a lot of love and effort into this book, right, Scott?
Yeah, it's basically the last 15 years of our lives.
Right, and so you're going to be getting that book. Make sure you read it. But for now, what we want you to do is we want you to keep watching this video. And we're going to show you how to create and launch your own software or app in the next 90 days. Even if you have no idea what to create, how to code, or where to start.
Right, Garrett. But before we start that, let's tell you a little bit about who we are, just so you know where we've been, what we've done. So we've created 40 software products, over 40 software products in our careers together. And we've been listed on the Inc. 500 twice. In 2016, we were the number 12th fastest growing software company in America. And we did that again in 2017, which is unheard of to make the Inc. 500 twice like that. We also made the Utah 100 and the Fast 50 in the last couple of years.
Yeah, so here's a couple of the products that we've created over the years. Shopper Approved, TrustGuard, Software Funnels, CartRocket, RhinoSport, on and on and on. These are just some of the 40 plus software products that we have created. So we are two of the top software experts in the world today. But when we started, we actually had no idea how to build software.
No.
We had some ideas, and even the ideas were like, whatever, but we had no idea what we were doing. We didn't know how to write one line of code.
We still don't,
which we're actually very proud of, and you'll find out a little bit more about that later. But if we can do it, you can do it, and we'll show you how.
Yep. So creating software isn't that hard if you know the secrets, and that's why we wrote the book, right. Software Secrets. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube, and Garrett's
yeah, so this Christmas, my daughter got a Rubik's Cube. She's 10, and it's like the big thing in school now, and I started playing with it, and I never knew how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and it was my goal. Like, I wasn't going back to work from the Christmas break until I solved the Rubik's Cube. Finally, after errors and figuring it out, I learned the secrets and I solved the Rubik's Cube, and I still know how to do it today, and I'm getting even faster. So that's the same thing with building software, right? Initially, you don't know exactly how to do it, but that's what we're here. We've done it so many times that we have building and launching software down to a science.
Right. And we've actually created a simple step-by-step process that allows anyone to build any kind of software they can imagine. So anything you've ever wanted to build, you can do it, and we're going to show you how.
Yeah.
But before we do that, we just want to show you a short video from one of our clients. Her name's Annie Grace, and she built software in less than 3 months after taking our course. So here's what she had to say.
I've had a software idea for almost 2 years since I wrote my book, and I've been thrilled about it because I'm so excited. I think my idea can actually change the world. And it's something that is basically a 30-day alcohol experiment. You go through an entire web-based software for 30 days. It's a community, it has accountability. But the problem was that I've never written a line of code. And so although I had this amazing idea, I had no idea how to implement it. So it's sitting there in the back of my mind, it's burning a hole. I want to bring this in, app format, Android, on your iPhone. I want to give this out. I want to make it happen. And I can't do it because I have no idea what I'm doing. And then I was really fortunate because I got to meet Garrett and Scott at a digital marketing conference. First time I met them, I just went all in. I was like, all right, I want the book, I want the course, I want to sign up for the software. And it has changed my life because you have to understand this. I've been working in corporate marketing for years and years and years. And usually when I'm looking at developing something, a web-based development, we're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars, years of development. The market probably has shifted by the time we get done. Tons of people involved. I remember reading a specification document for a website that was this thick. And so this idea was so intimidating to me. And when I went all in, I remember listening to their audiobook, and it shifted everything for me. They have this roadmap. They made it almost stupid simple to create software. The crazy part is that I met Garrett and Scott back in, it was almost 3 months ago. And in 3 months, I have developed this software, launched it. I expected to launch a beta test to work the bugs out because there's always bugs. And I hope to get 25, 50 people in it. The day I launched, 2,500 people showed up, broke my server 4 times, which I'm told is a really good problem to have, but my hunch was right. Like, the product can actually change the world. And Garrett and Scott have given me the tools to get there because they just map it out and they overcame all of my concerns. And not only was it just a step-by-step process, but also the mindset shift of this does not have to be any harder than you're making it. You, Annie, who does not know how to write a line of code and often can't log into, my own accounts, can make a software project and can make a platform that actually is reaching people. It's been a phenomenal experience and it's changed my life, changed my business, and it's changing thousands of people's lives already. Can't wait to see what it does next.
We were so excited to get that video. We've been working with her, and she wanted to make a video for us just to show her appreciation, and it was so cool to see how she started. She just dove in, like she said, and she got it done. Now, fast forward maybe 6 to 8 months later, I was just in Nashville, Tennessee, and met up, and she was there. And how many people did I say? She's
40,000?
Yeah, her software product, she has 40,000 members now. It's
crazy.
just insane. The amount of money she's making is just got to be insane. So all of this just from an idea. It was an existing business that she had. She just wanted to create some software to help bring her community together. Now they pay her monthly, to be part of the software. And it's an existing business that now she's charging tons more.
Well, it's overcoming alcohol, right?
Right.
So, it can be anything that you can imagine. So we love that video, and it inspires us. We hope that inspired you. And we have other clients that have similar stories like that, and it's just so exciting. But really what gets us really excited is 5 reasons why software is the best business model ever made, ever. And these are the 5 things why we think software is where you need to go. If you want to start a business, you want to build financial security for your family, you need to do this. And here's the 5 things. So the first one is that the software industry is literally booming. In fact, software is the #1 fastest growing industry in the world, and it's only getting bigger, exponentially bigger, really. The second thing is there's unlimited stock, and we joke about that when we talk about software. We always have lots in stock, right, Garrett?
Yeah.
Because ultimately you build it once, but then you can sell it unlimited times. It's just ones and zeros. You can sell it over and over and over again. The third reason why software is amazing is because there's no physical products. So funny story, Garrett and I both started out selling physical products online. And it's a nightmare.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying that you can't do it, but we found that there was a better way, because with software, there's no inventory, no manufacturing, no warehousing, no shipping, no returns. It's awesome. You get rid of all of that. The next best thing is that you make 100% of everything you sell. If you've ever sold retail, then you know that you have to buy wholesale, and that takes 50% or more of your margin off right off the bat when you get that product and you turn it around. And then the last reason why software is amazing is because, and this is what we feel is one of the most powerful secrets of software, is that you can charge recurring billing. And this is the #1 secret to true wealth. And we're going to actually break that out and talk about it a little bit more, because it's so powerful and it can change your life.
Yep. And so, as I was saying earlier, like Annie, she had this idea. She already had an existing business. The software automatically added a way for her to accept recurring revenue, and so she could charge more for what she was already selling. Mm-hmm. So whether it's a new idea and you don't really have a business idea, but we help you find a new business idea to build software, that's one way. You can add it to your existing business as an upsell or add-on, and you can charge more. So these are just some other really good reasons why software is so powerful.
Yep.
The bottom line is, if you've ever wanted to create or sell your own software, there's never been a better time than right now. Never.
Nope. And that's why we're so excited that you're here with us today. So we have these little questions as we go through this thing. It says, but Garrett and Scott, what if I don't have an idea, or I don't know if my idea is a good one? And that's a great question.
No problem. No idea, no problem. If you don't have an idea yet, we have numerous resources in both our Software Secrets book and our training program that will help you get your creative juices flowing at maximum capacity. If you already have an idea, we've also created a cool idea evaluator that ranks your idea out of 100 possible points. The higher the score, the better the idea. So these are two really cool things that we've developed to help you either come up with an idea. Hundreds. We've got these reports with hundreds of ideas that can help you get the, like they say, the juices flowing in your brain so that you can come up with an idea. And if you already have one, we've got this idea evaluator.
Right. And here's another question. Garrett and Scott, what if I don't know how to write code or build software like this guy on this picture, right?
Yeah.
That's Garrett when he was younger.
It is. There is no problem if you guys don't know how to code. In fact, we don't know jack about code. We don't know how to read or write code, and we run a multi-million-dollar software empire. It's actually better if you don't know how to code, we believe.
Right.
The secret is to know how to hire people way smarter than you who have degrees in programming and stuff for a fraction of their normal cost.
Right.
We're going to show you, in our program, we show you how to do that.
Right. And so basically, it all comes down to this. If you can doodle on a whiteboard, then you have all the tech skills you need to build a software company.
So we're going to show you just 4 simple steps that we teach and that we use to build all of the software that we build. So here's an example of customer rewards, one of the softwares that we built. Step 1 is you doodle, like Scott just said. You get in front of a whiteboard, or you use our software funnels software, and you whiteboard out exactly what you want your software to do.
Right, and you can see that's pretty ugly.
Yep, we call this the ugly duckling doodle too.
That's right.
So next, you go to our wireframing software, or you find one out there. We have one in Software Funnels.
Right.
You wireframe out the past doodle that you just did. You can see, here's the doodle. We just made it a little more straighter lines, made it look a little bit better. We then send that in step 3 to a graphic designer. That graphic designer, look how nice that looks now.
Right,
It came
and that's
from
the same exact
this.
information.
Yep, came from this to this to this. Now we take this design and we give it to the geniuses or the programmers.
Right,
We
and this
tell them
is
what it needs
part
to
of
do.
our programming team.
Yep. We give it to the geniuses, the programmers, the guys way smarter than us. We just show them the design and show them how we want it to work, and then they develop it and make it work.
Right. Now, if you were a programmer, just think how easy it would be to program something that you can visually see.
Right.
That's
the
already
key.
complete.
That's the secret, really. These 4 steps, the secret. We'll show you that again. Here's another example, our actual software funnel software. Okay, here's the doodle that we did. We literally doodled this,
Right.
okay, on a whiteboard. Then we took it and we wireframed it out. And then we sent it to the graphic designer. Okay, this is just the basic header and side of the design so that we could get the project going.
Yep.
Then we sent it to the geniuses, and now we'll show you exactly how it's working. We're going to open up Software Funnels right now and show you the live version after the programmers took it from the design and programmed it. Okay, so let me move this over here. Okay, so here you can see the design. We've updated it even from the original design. So here you can see the whiteboard, right? And now I can go and I can whiteboard out exactly, and just play around with it. We've got mind maps, we've got the wireframing software, projects, we've got a whole team chat area. That's really cool, that we can chat with all of our programmers and everything that we're working on. So we went through the steps, right? Basically, we just went through the steps and we doodled it out, wireframed it out, sent it to the graphic designer, and then gave it to the geniuses. And they developed it out. Now it's working. It's something that we can sell to anybody and upsell. And it was super fun. It's like the process is actually super fun to see something grow from nothing to something.
Yeah, and Software Funnels is amazing software, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that in a little bit.
So this is what happened with Software Funnels is it allowed us to take all the process and put it into one place. The whiteboarding, the projects, the wireframe, the team chat, reporting, and mind mapping.
Right. These are all the steps that we use as a software company to build software.
Yep. So here's Lindsay. She's our project manager. And you can see she uses this every day to work with our team, whether it's the whiteboarding. Here she's got projects open up, which is just like Trello,
Right.
or it's just a project management board, all in one login area, all in one place. So let's get back to the recurring of why software is so
This is the
fun.
exciting part. So as we mentioned, you can recharge recurring billing, and that was the number one secret to true wealth. And so we're going to go into that just a little bit so you can see just how powerful this concept is. So as you guys all know, Albert Einstein famously stated that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, but we believe that Albert Einstein was wrong. And we think that recurring revenue is the eighth wonder of the world. And here's why. So here's a chart that shows what would happen if you took $5,000 and you put it in an account and you put $2,000 in that account every single month for 20 years. As you can see on that thing, it says in 20 years you will have $1,569,822. I think it's a dollar store.
Yeah. A lot of money.
So here's what would happen if you had 20 subscribers to your software a month, which is a pretty reasonable number for someone that's starting out.
You get 20 each month at $50 a month.
Yep, and if you charge $50 at the end of 20 years, if you look over here on the right, you'll see that your monthly recurring revenue, that means how much money is actually coming into your bank account. At the end of 20 years, you'll have almost $250,000 coming into your bank every month, and you'll have made almost $29 million. So there's a huge difference in between compounding and recurring, and that's why we think that that's a much better way to look at the world.
So here's the power of recurring revenue. The secret to getting anything you want in life for free. So let's say you have student loans, okay? You're somebody out there, you got student loans, okay? $25,000 of student loan debt. And that's pretty normal. Like I know lots of people that do that, okay? How many members do you need to cover your student loans? Only 5.6, basically 5 members or 5 subscribers to your software to cover all of your debt, all of your student loan debt.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Okay, here's the power of recurring revenue, the secret to getting anything you want. A luxury car. Everybody wants a nice, awesome, here's this Tesla, right? Awesome luxury car. It doesn't have to be, it could be your dream car. So let's say the car payment's about $593 a month. You get your membership cost for your subscribers is $50 a month. You only need 10 members.
Yep.
You got to go out there and
a
get
Tesla every day.
10 people to pay you $50 a month to use your software, and you're driving a Tesla or your dream car every day.
Right.
Now let's say you want that $1 million home, your dream home. Okay, again, $50 a month you're charging for your people to use your software.
Right.
Your house payments for about $1 million home is going to be about $3,800 a month. You only need 76 members. 76 members, you're going to have the dream home. Add another 10, so 86. You're going to also have your dream car, and 5.6. Your
So 90 members.
90
total.
members total. All your student loans are gone. You have the car of your dreams and the home of your dreams.
Yep.
Okay. You don't need thousands of members to be rich. Literally, 300 members will make anyone financially
And
free.
it's not just financially free. 300 members will make you're living the life. I mean,
Yep.
you've got everything you could ever want with 300 members.
So what would freedom look like to you? What does that look like to you? Maybe it's not the dream house. Maybe it's not the car. Maybe it's going on trips with your family. Maybe it's having money to pay off other debt. Maybe it's
Maybe it's time.
Maybe it's
'Cause
time.
that's
with
one
your
of the other
family.
benefits of software.
So 300 members, and the thing is, you don't have to get those 300 members right up front. You can get that over a year,
Right.
and you'll be financially free for the rest of your life. So, hey Garrett and Scott, I'm super excited to start building software. Can you show me exactly how to do it? Yes, we can. And it's called Software Secrets. and we have the enhanced edition. Okay, you've got the book, you're going to get the book.
And the book is awesome.
But the enhanced edition has everything that you need, everything that we teach and do ourselves each and every day.
Right, you can only fit so much in a book, right? We can't show you videos in a book.
Right.
We can't. We can show you screenshots, but they're not in color. They're not full size. We can't do a podcast. We can't do a video like this, or there's lots of things, lots of limitations.
So, the Software Secrets Enhanced Edition training program is the only software training program of its kind. We break down each book chapter, so every chapter in the book, and we break it down into video with real life examples, share personal stories and experiences that we couldn't put in the book.
Right.
It also includes some awesome special bonuses like the masterclass sessions where we went through with a whole group of people and they asked questions, we answered questions, we did trainings. The Project Management Secrets mini course.
That's huge.
Yeah, very, very important to help you with getting the team on board and managing them.
Well, let me tell you why that's important, because Garrett is amazing at managing projects. That's his superpower, and he gets done things in an hour that takes most people 4 hours to do. And so he actually created a course about how he does that, how he optimizes his time, and it's just some simple things that anyone can do, but it changes the game, especially when you're managing a software project.
So we also have over-the-shoulder software development, like literally us building software funnels.
I love that.
So us building software funnels, you watch us over the shoulder as we do it, so you can kind of see how we did the project.
And the cool thing is it's from day one till it was done.
Yep. We've got mock-ups, we've got screenshots, examples, podcasts that we did, answering questions, and everything that you'll ever need to develop and launch your own software is in this Software Secrets Enhanced Edition. So here's a small glimpse of what you'll learn. How to come up with great software ideas that will actually sell so you don't waste time on bad ideas.
We spend quite a bit of time on this.
Yeah,
this
very,
is
very
really, really important.
How to fund your idea if you need to bootstrap so your idea can become a reality as soon as possible. A lot of people ask, well, how much is it going to cost? We answer all that in this training. Or how long is it going to take? We answer that. The 12-step process that makes the software building process faster, easier, and cheaper. We showed you 4 of those. There's actually 12. We showed you the most important ones to get the ball rolling.
Right.
But the 12-step process is in this enhanced edition.
And these are the 12 steps that we live and die by as software owners.
Project management secrets that will shave months off your project's timeline that Scott talked a little bit about. How to launch your software as quickly as possible.
Yeah, it's called that MVP. Just remember that.
MVP, minimum viable product. How to hire the right programmers and designers the first time.
Super, super critical.
How to beta test your software before your big launch. How to launch your software and get your first 100 members fast, and a ton more. So, hey Garrett and Scott, is there a community of other software builders like me that I can talk to if I have questions? The answer is yes, there is.
Yep.
You're going to get also with this enhanced edition of Software Secrets, you're going to get full access to our private Facebook Incubator group.
And the cool thing about this group is all of the people in this group were invited. You have to be invited to come in. And they're all building software. And so what a great community. If you have problems, they've probably already come across it and we've already helped them answer it. And the cool thing is everybody pitches in.
Yeah, that's really
and
cool.
they give their experiences and their hurdles and their wins. And you can read all of that in there.
We're actively participate. We're in there too. Benefit from hundreds of past posts that with helpful answers to questions and challenges that other members have already experienced.
Yeah, it's a great resource.
So what you're going to get today if you invest in Software Secrets is obviously the Software Secrets Enhanced Edition training program, $2,000 value, everything you need to know in order to build and launch your software, the software funnels, which we showed you, what we use each and every day to manage and build our software. You get the whiteboarding tool, the wireframing tool, the team chat tool, the project management tool like Trello, all in one area. You log into one area and it's all there. You get an unlimited account for that's a $3,600 a year value that you're going to get with this. The full access to our private Facebook incubator group that we just talked about,
Right.
you get
that we
access to
participate in directly.
which basically you're getting access to us at that point, and $1,000 value there. The total value is $6,594. Awesome value of stuff that's going to help you. Everything that we do to build software.
And you're probably thinking, wow, that all sounds awesome, but I don't have any programmers or designers to help me, so I guess I can't build software now.
Yeah. Well, as you know, we didn't have that either. We didn't know how to build code, but we went out and found a group. So we're going to give you access to the same programming and design teams that we use.
Yeah.
You're going to get access to them. We'll give
These
you
are the
full
same
access.
programmers that helped us to make Inc. 500, the Inc. 500 software that we currently run.
Yep. So if you remember step 4, after you've doodled and wireframed and got the design, we're going to give you access to the programming team that you give those designs to, and then they start programming it. It's the exact overseas programming company that we use. We also have other teams that are here in the U.S. if you don't want to use this overseas program, that in the training you're going to get access to everybody that we recommend.
Right.
Designers too, that's really important. So some of you might be thinking back all the way to step 3. Well, I don't know how to design. How do I find designers to design the wireframes that I created? We're also going to give you access to that.
Okay, that's cool, but how do I sell my software after I build it, Garrett?
It's time to learn from the master, young grasshopper. This is Russell Brunson. He is the creator of ClickFunnels, one of the most successful software products ever. And what he's done, ClickFunnels, really is the key to successfully selling your software online. It's an all-in-one tool to help you become a marketing pro. We developed software funnels with Russell to specifically work with ClickFunnels. So software funnels is like the back end of building the software. ClickFunnels is the front end where you're selling that software, or software funnels is the engine, ClickFunnels is the car, and you need both.
Right. So basically, this course that we've put together helps you to build the software that you're going to sell, and then ClickFunnels, Russell's product, helps you to sell it.
Yep.
There's a match made in heaven.
And the cool thing is Russell, he created 3 software funnels that helped him generate over $100 million. He gave us those 3 funnels to give to our members. So you get full access to these 3 funnels to hack and use to sell your own software. Plus, you get access to a special webinar that Russell did for us that breaks down all 3 funnels for you so you can maximize your sales.
Yeah, it's a huge value.
Yep. So let's go back to everything that you're going to get today if you invest in Software Secrets. The enhanced edition with all of the training, the Software Funnels Unlimited account. You can have unlimited users use it unlimited. The full access to our private Facebook incubator group where Scott and Garrett are to help you. Plus, you're going to get direct access to our programmers and designers, the exact teams that we use. Then you can also use them. And a special bonus, you're going to get Russell's 3 secret software funnels, the 3 software funnels that he used to build a $100 million empire.
Yep.
So the total value is $11,588, but a wise man once said, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day, teach him how to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. So really it comes down to, what is the education worth to you?
Right. If what we're giving you is truly valuable, we want you to be able to see that. And so this is a thing we got from the internet that shows you the cost of going to some of these prestigious universities. And so you really need to ask yourself, as you can see there, 5 years of tuition, you're in the almost $200,000 range. So ask, do you want to spend $200,000 to learn the theories from a professor, someone that hasn't even gotten the trenches and done the actual work? Or would you rather spend $11,588 to learn directly from 2 of the most successful software experts in the world?
Right. I think the answer is pretty obvious. But you're not going to pay anything close to $11,588 or even $5,000 or even $2,000. We want to make both Software Secrets and Software Funnels affordable to anyone who sees the vision and is serious about building software. And so, the education of champions, this is the best real-world education that you can get. Again, the Software Secrets Enhanced Edition, The Software Funnels Unlimited account, full access to the private group, direct access to our programmers and designers, the special bonus of Russell's 3 secret software funnels. Total value, again, $11,588. You get everything today for just one payment of $997 plus $47 a month for software funnels, which we'll show you in a minute. That is optional.
Right.
So $1,000.
It's amazing. I mean, this information, we're in the trenches every day doing this stuff. This is real, current information that you can take all our wins and losses from the last 15 years and you can put them all in your own life, in your own business, and just cut that learning curve by 90%.
Before you make your final decision, software funnels, again, as we said, is optional. We recommend it, but you don't have to use software funnels in order to build your software.
Right. And
you can go get a whiteboarding tool.
Yeah.
You can go get a wireframing tool. You can go get a team chat tool. You can go get a project management tool. You don't have to use software funnels. But if you decide you want it later, you'll be charged the full retail price of $297 a month. But if you include it now, you only pay the $47 a month for unlimited users,
which is an 84% discount.
And you can also always cancel it down the road if there's no contracts. So the choice is yours. You get everything, including software funnels, for just one payment of $997 plus $47 a month to use software funnels monthly. You can cancel anytime. Or you can get almost everything except software funnels for just one payment of $997 and you don't have the monthly payment. Or you can split it into 2 payments of $547. So again, you get the Software Secrets Enhanced Edition training program, Software Funnels Unlimited account, full access to our private Facebook Incubator group, direct access to our programmers, designers, Russell's 3 secret software funnels, and if you are still on the fence, don't worry,
I love that picture.
We've got your back. There are no hidden costs, upsells, or promotions. We give you everything you need to build any type of software that you can imagine.
And also you get the 30-day money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're thrilled with what we're delivering. So if you have any questions or anything, any problems, and you decide this isn't for you, just get a hold of us and cancel within 30 days. We'll give you a full refund.
Yep, no questions asked. So any questions or concerns, no problem. We have an amazing staff here that's just a call or email away to help you with any questions that you have. Now, our mission in life is to give back. And that's why we're giving this product for only $997.
Right, which is a steal for the value that we're giving you.
And so what we're going to give back to you is, you can see software has allowed us to give back. We've been to Kenya, we've been to Guatemala, we've built schools, we've helped orphanages. This is what software has allowed us to do. So we want to give a gift back to you. When you launch your first software product, we'll gift you back $500.
Yep.
So basically it's a 50% discount that you're getting on this.
Right, we want to be your cheerleaders. We want to be in your corner and celebrate that win with you. And so we want to give you that money back, and you can use that towards marketing or launching,
Charity,
whatever. Yeah, giving it to a charity, anything you want to do.
So also, we'll send you one of our sweet Procreator t-shirts for bragging rights. This is Brandon Fisher. We helped him create and launch his own software product, Live Pigeon, using Software Secrets and Software Funnels, and he is definitely a Procreator. We'll send you one of these shirts with the size that you want after you purchase today. So,
And you launch your first product.
yeah, okay. Select an option below. Get everything or get almost everything. So the Software Funnels, it just adds the $47 a month payment. So you pay one payment of $997 plus the $47 a month. If you want software funnels, you can cancel whenever you want. There's no contracts. You can cancel the $47 a month payment.
Right.
You can get almost everything, and where you don't want software funnels, and it's just one payment of $997 or split it into 2 payments of $547. But plus, we'll gift you back $500 on your first software launch, along with the Procreator t-shirt for unlimited bragging rights. Okay?
Right.
So below, what you need to do is choose your option. Are you going to go with the get everything, including software funnels, where you pay the $997 and get the $47 and get software funnels with it for $47 a month? Or if you don't want software funnels, one payment of $997 or 2 payments of $547. Again, the Enhanced Edition training program. If you don't know what software ideas, or you don't know what to do, or you don't know where to go, it has everything.
Yeah, we teach you everything that we can possibly teach you. We give you videos, we give you checklists, we give you all the screenshots of everything we did when we created software funnels.
The 12-step process, step by step of exactly what you need to do. Now with that, if you do the everything, you're also going to get the unlimited account of software funnels, where it's got the whiteboarding tool, the wireframing tool, the project management tool, the team chat tool, so you can talk to your team. It's all managed, the whole project, right in one area. You're also going to get full access to our private Facebook Incubator group. This is priceless. Ask any questions. We're both there to
and
help
our other
you.
members are there to help you as well.
You get direct access to our programmers and designers. This is what people love the most.
Yeah.
Because they're always like, well, I don't know how to write code, so I guess I can't do this, right? No, you can. We don't know how to write code either. You get direct access to our programmers and designers.
And you know what I love, Garrett? I love how many people that have gone through our program have told us how much they love the programming team that we have.
The special bonus, Russell's 3 secret software funnels, this is worth $100 million basically. Right? It's the 3 funnels that Russell used. You get access to them. You get access to the whole webinar that we did with Russell where he explains it all. Again, just one payment of $997 plus $47 a month for software funnels. If you don't want software funnels, choose the other option. It's all below. Click on one of the buttons, make your purchase. Immediately after you make your purchase, you're going to get access to everything. You're going to be able to log into your account and start watching the videos, start coming up, getting access to the whole idea evaluator, all the idea worksheets.
You're going to hit the ground running as soon as you get to the next page.
So thank you so much for being a part of this video. Select an option below, click the button, make the purchase. We're going to be there for you. We're going to see you on the other side.